Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is Saturday afternoon. I give my phone number to someone and he calls me and we speak about trading and training and so on. And I ask him, how much is your account, or if you want to begin trading, how much? He told me I have $5,000. Okay, now I told him, what is your expectation? If you want to trade, what do you think you want to do? He told me, I want to be a professional trader and I want $4,000 a week. What? $4,000 a week from $5,000 account? I say, are you sure you want that little money? Because it's $16,000 a month. So why you make too much expectation? Why you are not real? The market, we have a lot of competition between professional against each other, and between beginners who don't know nothing about trading, and they come to trading, to this business, with dreams. Although some are old. I'm not speaking about someone who is 16 or 17 or 18 or 20 and he just heard about one is millionaire from 10,000 or 12,000 like Tim Sykes or something, and he thinks that the thing is so easy. He trained, or someone trains him or something, or he has a course or something, and then he begin harvest the market. It is not as you might think. Okay, 5,000, you can't make 4,000 a week. 16,000. What do you mean? You mean that you make like around 300% of your account in 1 month? I'm sorry for this kind of people. So try to be real. Okay? Try to be real. Mutual fund, they have billions of dollars and they can get 10%, 20%, 50% a year. How can you want 300% in a month? So try to be logical. Try not to look at those guys online who promise you to become a millionaire with $5,000, $10,000. Okay? You don't know what those guys have done in their life to get this money, if there is one or two in the whole 10 years or 20 years. Okay? Sometimes people, they just get luck, and luck, it is not a business. For example, I will tell you just an example. Try to understand. Suppose that you have $10,000 and you find a stock at random. Okay, you don't search, you don't know nothing about trading. You are just new, like 16 or 17 years old, or 18 years, and you just, okay, I will take this 10,000, I throw it in this stock, I buy it, and I close my account. Next year I will see it. Okay, this is what some people do. And next year, either he finds that he has 10,000 or 100,000 or 1 million, or they find nothing in their account. Okay, they find 0 or 1 cent or 10 cents from this 10,000. This is what some people do. They try to gamble into the market. Okay, and trading is a business. So if you don't take it as a business, you should work, and you should be careful what you are doing. You should do some work. Now that's why almost if you are a beginner, I give homework some days ago. I say, check this homework and just do it. I am sure 99.99 that most of the beginners have, even they watch my video, but they will never look at their account. Okay? Why is this? This is psychological. They don't want to see their losing trades or good trades. They don't want to work. And trading is a business. Okay, it's the same as when we have a store. How can you open a store? You put $10,000 or $20,000, $100,000 in it, like merchandise, and you open the doors, and there is no management, there is no general manager, there is no management, there is no associate who sells, and they put a sign on the front of the door and say, okay, please take the merchandise and open the drawer, the cash drawer, and exchange. And the prices, you see the prices, it's very simple. Something is $10. Put $10 in the cash drawer, and just take the merchandise and go home. Can you do a business like that? If you open your store, and there is no one there, and you are near like a poor neighborhood, your store will be empty the first day. Some people, they come to take the cash first because they don't want to work even to take some stuff for free. And others, they will come to your store and they will take everything, even the chairs, tables, fixtures, anything that it is in the store. Okay? So do you want to do business like this? How can you buy something and you just leave it? Okay? Leave it and let the future make you a millionaire. The future, it will never make you a millionaire. People who become millionaire, they have done something. They are entrepreneur. They do a lot of things. They work too much. Okay? They work too much. They see their business. What's going on? Is the business going good? What can I do in order to ameliorate my business? In trading, it is the same thing. So why you are always making a difference between a real business and trading? You think that trading it may be like just gambling. No one knows the future. So like someone before, he sent me an email and he told me this guy seems he is like professional in, maybe he has a good job or something, because I see the way he talks, and he told me that the theories, the most important theory about stock market is that any monkey playing something, playing darts, he can have more than a professional trader. I say, what? A monkey can do better than a human in trading? Okay. I say to him, are you a monkey? Can you make it? Can you show me how a monkey can make profit in the market just by taking any kind of stocks? Now these people are reading a lot of books that they say that the stock market is at random. Some go up, some go down. So you don't have to study nothing. You don't have to trade. Just buy some stocks and leave them for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, and you will become rich without doing anything. Now this is like stupid thing. Okay? If you follow these stupid guys, even they have written books, even they were very famous and they published their books, they just give their opinion because tell them to put 100,000, 200,000, or $1 million of their money, of their real money. Tell them to put it as in the market, and they just choose just at random. Tell them they will never put a penny in the market. Why? Because they know the market. If they don't do right, other traders will take their money. So they don't want to risk. That's why they put theories in the market. So if you want to be a professional trader, you need from 2 to 5 years to become a professional trader. You need to have money. 5,000 is not, you can't make a business with it. You can make some money. No, I don't say you can't. You can. 5,000, 10,000, you can make some money. But do you expect that you have 300% in each month? Or you compete the professional and you get 300 or 500%? if you continue like this, you will be a billionaire in 1 year. Okay, if you are having 300% each month and 10,000% in each year. Okay, if you put $10,000, you become a millionaire in 1 year. Second year, you will become a billionaire. So this is not a logical reasoning. You are over dreaming. I say over dreaming because it's not the real world. People, they go each day, day traders, and they trade. Many days they get good, but sometimes they get bad days, and this is how they get their money. So it's not true that someone is a professional trader and whenever he goes to the market, he harvests the market, or he corners the market and he take all the people's money. No, sometimes they are wrong in the direction, they lose money. Sometimes they lose too much money, especially for those who do options, who do futures, who do forex. They lose too much money. Okay? And some people, they do it just as a gambling, just as a game. Like when you're playing cards or you go to Las Vegas and you do games, you spend 10,000, 20,000 just to gamble, you gamble. Sometimes you win 1,000, but you see that you spent 15,000 or 20,000, you go there and you blew all your money that you saved for 1 year. And this is a normal thing. Some do. People like to gamble. But what I am presenting in my channel is not gambling. So I will try to help you be reasonable in expectation, be reasonable in your account. It means you should do real business. When you do real business, you should see your expenses. For example, I have made videos on commissions, and I say don't overtrade. It means don't trade too much, because the commission will take everything. It will take your money, it will take your profit. And I have shown an example last week. So people, they don't understand that these small things. Oh, I say, it's just $10. It's just a $10 commission. But $10 if you buy, $10 if you sell, it's just $20. Now $20 is a round trade. It means you buy and you sell. Now $20 by 100, what is it? Tell me, what is it? It's $2,000. This is if you do 100 trades. Suppose that you do 500, they do 1,000. Suppose that you do 1,000 trade. You trade a lot. Do you know what is 1,000? If you do 1,000 trades by 10, it's $10,000. That's why, even if you have money, you will lose too much money, and you don't know why you are losing. Okay? So in my channel, I show you step by step how to look at these things and to fix it. Okay? If your broker you are with is too expensive, change to another broker that has less fees. Okay, I see some people, they contact me and they say, for example, I have a subscription in a professional chart. Okay, and then what do you do with this professional chart? It gives you a lot of numbers, it gives you news, it gives you... What do you do with it? Have you made money from this chart? Oh, I say no, I didn't, but I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn and to know, to become a professional trader and to make money later. So why do you subscribe to a chart that it is taking money from you and you are not making money? Now, people who use professional charting, they are professional and they need, for example, they need level 2, they need a news feed, because they are following some stocks. Anything happening today, they are there and they can respond very quick. These are day traders, they are professional, they have millions of dollars. If someone has $1 million and he spent $100 for a monthly chart, which is professional, it's not a big deal for him. It's just $100 for him, because he will make too much money. Okay, so this expense is just little. He needs it. But you are a beginner. Why you go and you buy a professional chart? Why? You are doing some crazy things. You are just spending your money. You think that because you have professional charting, you will make money because of that. No. In order to make the money, you should know how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, you lose money. That's it. Is it so simple? Okay? So, for me, I don't want to break your dreams. Okay? I don't say, oh, you don't succeed. No, you will succeed if you take it as a business. Suppose that you, for example, I will give you a concrete example. For example, if you want to do a car dealer. Suppose that you have a friend, he has a car dealer, and he's making millions of dollars of his sale. Excuse me. And you want to do the same as him. And he's your best friend, and he will give you the best advice he can. And you ask him, okay, you are doing good business, and I want to do the same as you. Either partnership, or you can help me set up this thing and you teach me. You pay him or you don't, it's your friend. No problem. Now your friend will ask you a question. The first question he asks you, he told you, how much do you have? And you tell him, I have $5,000. Five. You make the 5 so big. $5,000. I have $10,000. What is it, this 5,000, 10,000? What is it? Okay? Now, what do you expect your friend tells you? He tells you, I'm sorry, I can't help you. You don't have that much money. In order to do a car dealer, you should need at least 100,000, 150, just to start, to begin. And then if you make money and you are good, yes, it will be better. But 5,000, 10,000, you can't begin with. You train yourself. This is very good. I don't say it's not good. Whatever money you begin with, even 1,000. But tell yourself that you are learning how to trade. Don't expect to make money with this, but you are learning to trade. And especially in these days, like in March and April, and this month, 2 months, we have a lot of downtrend in almost all the market. So if you are going long, you will be losing money a lot these 2 months. Okay, some industries are begin to go up. So you search and you will find them. Okay, so this is just general ideas that I want to explain, and take trading as a business, and don't play with your money. And you think that trading is like gambling, and you just throw your money. And another thing is that if you don't look at your account and see your expenses, you will never be a professional trader. A professional trader, he always see what's going wrong in his trading. He doesn't just trade and trade. What do you think? Do you think those very famous people or something, they just go to the market and make the money? No. Sometimes they make the money, sometimes they lose the money. And it's their average performance during the year that it is good. Okay? Not in each trade. And if someone tells you that I have done 100 trades or 1,000 trades and I have never lost, this is a liar. You say to him, okay, you are one of the two. Either you are God and you are not, because you are a human. People, they can kill you. Okay, so you are a human. So you are not God, and you will die one day. So you are not God. Second thing, you are Mr. Market and you are not Mr. Market. Because if you are Mr. Market, you know everything, and you are always right, so you will have all the market money because you are Mr. Market, and you are not. Okay, so in my training and in my making videos, I sometimes go to some online like this, and they teach and something, and sometimes I find people who are teaching and they have no relation with trading at all. They learn it in a school or in a broker, and they get hired and they teach, but they have no knowledge about trading in real. They don't trade. I go to someone once, he's doing trading and he has class and something, and he told them you put stop loss at 2 cents. I sent him an email, and I said to him, how you make a stop loss at 2 cents? Which stock is this? It means it's I don't say it's stupid, but it shows me that this guy has no relation with trading, just because I see what he's doing. Some of the guys I saw before, and what they do, they do use indicators and moving average, and they think they can make money from this. They can't. Believe me, they can't. They teach you how to use them, but in real time, for themselves, they don't make the money from it. Okay? So this is just a highlight about your account, about what you expect from a market, how to become a professional trader. So you need to be patient. Okay? Save money, trade, and be patient for opportunities, for learning. Don't expect that when you see one video or you get training very quick and you can make the money right away. Because the problem, it is not the market who has a problem. It's you who have the problem. It's all psychological. Okay? Psychological, it means you can't control yourself. For example, you trade and you lose money and you don't see your account. This is psychological. Because when you lose the money, it's really hard for you to go again and check this trade that you have done. For example, you lose 2,000, you lose 5,000, you lose 100 or whatever in your money, and it's too much for you. And you feel the pain. You feel the pain of losing money. And if you become mad, what you do when you become mad? First, you will never see your account. You will never see your trades. It's like an inhibition. It stops you from thinking. Now, second thing, you begin to blame the market. Oh, there are short sellers. Short sellers are there from the beginning of the market in the stock market in the 19th century until now. Always we have short sellers. So there is nothing new in the market. So why you say that it's the market, the short sellers who take your money? The short sellers, they can lose money too. Okay? They can lose money. It's not always they win money. And they have a high risk. So stop blaming other people and stop blaming yourself. Although it's you that you do the mistake, but stop blaming yourself. What you should do what is right. Now, what is it right when you lose money? You stop trading. You can trade it virtually, it's okay. Stop trading. Go to your trades one by one. For example, last month you have done 10 trades, 50 trades, or 100 trades, or whatever you do. And what you do, you just see each trade. Okay, what's my strategy? How do I select this stock? I lose money in it. Why? If you don't know why you enter a stock, if you don't know why you exit a stock, so why are you trading? It means you have nothing in your mind. You don't know how to trade, you know nothing. Now you can do this in paper or virtual. Okay, Take, for example, my chart, or take any portfolio and buy stocks according to something, and then follow them and see yourself. Are you making money or no? If you are making money, it means that your strategy is working. Okay? Now, if your strategy, or you have no strategy and you are losing money, some people, they make money and they lose money, so they are neutral. A lot of people like this, they send me emails. Some, I send them my phone number, my cell phone number, and I talk to them. Okay? And I say to them, okay, you make a lot of trades. Did you check your trades? Commission, for example. Did you check how much? Oh, he told me, oh, no, I didn't. Okay. Can you do that for me? Can you go to your account? I give you homework. You want to become a trader, right? Yes, I want to become a trader. Do you have the will to become a trader? You say, yes. Yes, I want to become a trader and I want to take all the money of the market. Okay, and become rich. Okay, that's good. So, do you want to work more? Okay, to look. It's a yes. I will work and I will do everything you ask me. Now, when I ask him to go to his account, now he hesitated. He or she is the same thing, because we are human, men and women, the same thing. They hesitate and they feel the pain. This is psychological pain. This is normal because you are a beginner. You don't want to go to the bad things that you have done. You don't want to. That's why, in order to become a professional trader, you should control your emotions. Take your emotions from your business. You say, for example, in last month I have done 15 trades. 10 I lose, 5 I do good. So before I continue trading, I should go one by one. Look why you lose. Okay? Is it your entry, the momentum? You don't know how to enter? Is it you exit early? Or is it the industry is going down and you are going long? Or you want to short the stock and the stock is going up in a trend? You should see all this stuff. Now, if you begin to look at this stuff, believe me, your attitude change, and you will begin to discover your mistakes. And then when you discover your mistakes, you will correct them. If you don't know, okay, send me some trades that you have done, and I will correct your mistakes. I will tell you what's the problem. Okay? And then you become more aware about these things, and that's it. Another thing, for example, the bid and ask spread. This is called the spread. If you go to penny stocks, you find the spread is too high. For example, a stock that it is $1, and you find the ask, you find it $1.10. What does it mean from $1, which is the bid, to $1.10, which is the ask? It means you are losing 10% of your money just because of the slippage, which is the bid and ask spread. Okay? So, you pay commission and you pay spread. 10%. It's too much money. If you buy, for example, $1,000 of these stocks, which is $1, you find for example you buy 1,000 shares. Okay, you have $1,000, you buy 1,000 shares, and you are waiting. Now, the thing, when just you buy $1.10 and the bid is $1, you lose $100. You will see it in your account. Whenever just you buy, you see to your account. You will see that you are minus $100. And you ask yourself, I just begin. I just do the trade. It's just 1 second. What did happen? I lose $100 very quick. 10%. It's just because if you want to sell right now, you will sell with the bid. and you tell me, oh, no, I'm not just buying to sell. No, I'm staying many days. Okay, if tomorrow the stock is not $1, it's 90 cents. How much you lose? You will lose 20% of your money. Do you know what this means, 20% of your money? You put 1,000, you lose $200. Okay? If you don't know how to calculate, use a calculator either in your computer or buy one, those electronic one with $5, and try to do the math. It's just calculation. It's just kindergarten thing. It's not math like you will be a PhD to see your trades. Okay? So, if you can't change your attitude, if you can't see what's going on in your account, if you can't minimize your expenses, you minimize. You don't do subscriptions. You don't pay charging software. You don't give fees. You don't pay too much for your bid and ask. Only do stocks that it is 1 cent bid and ask. For example, $10, 1 cent. That's it. $50, 1 cent. That's it. You don't pay too much, because 1 cent you will pay only $1 for slippage, which is very good. Okay, which is very good. $1 is good. But if I pay $100, that is too much money. Too much money. You try to make it real. If you have $1,000 and I come to you and I take $100, how do you feel? You feel terrible about you lose money. But in the market, why you don't feel this? Why when you buy a stock and they take 100 from you, you don't feel anything? Okay? You don't think about it. Oh, you say I lose the trade. Okay, I don't want to see it. I don't want to see this trade I lose. I have done 10 trades, I lost, so I don't want to lose. Maybe I will stop trading. And this is another problem. Okay? You want to stop and you just begin. So how can you become a professional trader? A professional trader, you can't just have like this, a cup of juice or coffee, and they squeeze a strategy like this, they squeeze it, and they give it to you, you drink it tonight, and tomorrow you will become a professional trader. You will not become a professional trader like this. Because you should struggle with your problems, psychological problems. You are not prepared to go to trading and to be a professional trader. So, all this information I tell you, I have gone through. It means I am not speaking from reading a book about how psychology affects your trading. No! What I am telling you is a real word. How do you feel? And if you are a beginner, I give you a challenge. Go to your trades and check them. I am sure that you will not go. And if you go, send me an email, send me comment on this video, or send me an email. You say, okay, I have done the first step. I have checked and I discover a lot of mistakes I do, but I don't know. So for me, I'm trying to open your eyes on these problems, on these expenses. Okay? And this is the beginning of the professional trader training. It means you need time, you need money, you need skills in order to be a professional. Because you are taking money online from other people. Okay? You are taking money from the market. And the market, what is in the market? It is other people. Now, if you know how to trade, you will take money from the market because you know how to trade. Now, if you don't know how to trade, you will be losing money. Okay? And sometimes people, they have just dreams. And there are some online guys, most of them they are not professional traders. They try to make a dream for you, and they sell you this dream of becoming a millionaire in 1 year. Okay, just have to 1,000, 2,000 and become millionaire in 1 year. These guys are becoming a millionaire not because they trade, but because they are very famous and they are selling their teaching, they are selling their CDs, their books and something, and they are not real trader. Okay, in their life they are not. They stop trading for a long time because it's very easy, okay, not to risk any money, and you can get too much money. Okay, so hope this video you understand a lot of things about your account, about your expectation, about what you are going to do in the future. So you should, it's up to you. You should decide what you do in the future. Okay, you decide, and hope you take the right decision, and you progress into a more upper level. If you are a beginner, you should go to an intermediate level. If you are intermediate level, you go to the professional level, and this, it takes you time. Okay, but don't be discouraged, because anything needs time. In order to run a business, to begin a business, and to succeed, you need time. There is no one who just begin in the first year and become billionaire or millionaire. Never. Okay? So you need time. You need to work on your business. You should see your trades, see your expenses, and with positive attitude. And when you control your emotions, you control yourself, believe me, you'll change attitude, and you will know how to trade, and then you make money from the market. Okay, so thank you very much. If you have any question, some of you ask me about my phone number. Maybe they want to talk about something. I can give you my number. If you have some issues or something, that's no problem. Okay, thank you very much, and have a nice day.